YouTube, what's going on? It's Soul Review Kicks here with another unboxing. Let's get into this one. On the road to 5,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the love, guys. Without further ado, let's get into this bad boy. I know there's been a lot of hype with the new shoe, Air Max 95s. So you might have a hint of what this shoe might be. It's been getting a lot of hype. I don't know what's going on with the Air Max 95 hype lately, but it is getting out of hand. I can't secure none of these shoes, but I did secure this one. As you see it, I did secure this bad boy. Oh yeah. These are the Air Max 95 Special Project in Sequoia Black. And the Special Project would be the Worksout group. Okay. As you see, this little gray, silverish box, Air Max Classic box. Looks like we got a Sequoia green. I believe that's the color. Okay. Let's take a look at the box. Simple, classic Air Max 95 box. Give you some stuff to look at. Okay. I believe that's French. And Spanish, I'm not too sure. Or Brazilian, Portuguese. Fuego. Pretty neat. Nice little touch on it. Just show you that label again, just in case. And this was from Nike Drop Sneakers at. All right, bottom of the box. Oh wow. A little upside down. Okay, so now let's get to the goods. You guys ready? Let's get into this. Here we go. All about presentation. And the first glimpse. Oh yeah. Foil wrap. Okay, all right, I see what you did there. Looks like the Worksout logo. Oh, that's dope. Wow, like it, love it. You guys did your thing with that. Simple. Oh. Knocked it out the ballpark. And listen, this green, I just love it. It kind of goes with my military uniform stuff. Wow, knocked it out the park. All right, well, let's get into the nitty and gritty. You know, nice foil. As you see, reads out, works out. Pretty neat. I do see a YCM sticker. Okay, and date code, QC pass sticker. Also, as always, on the Air Max 95s, I believe there's always the US sticker on there. Okay. The box size is 320 by 200 by 110. Let's take a look at these bad. Ooh, boy, listen. I don't even know what to say. They did their thing with this. This is different, as you see. Ooh. Wow. That mudguard is crazy. Textured, nice rough. Oh, they did their thing with this. It almost has like the winterized feel to it. This right here is crazy. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but the texture on that. This definitely does not look like an average Air Max 95. Beautiful. See if I get some more detail in there. There you go. Wow. Look at the swoosh. Of course, this is reflective material. All right, well. This thing's amazing. Oh, you guys did your thing with this Worksout. Let me tell you. And this little subtle touch right here. Oh. Wow. Wow. Now that is a wow. This material is different. Nice textured material. I cannot wait to put these on and try them out. See how they feel. Bottom of the shoe. Typical 95. Beautiful shoe, man. All right, let's get inside. I do like the lace. Laces are pretty neat. Kind of got reflective material to them as well. I don't know if you guys could pick that up. Pretty neat. All right. Oh no, paper as well. Come on, come on, come on. How you gonna do that? Let me get a nice little shoe tree or something. All right, nothing. Oh, okay. Let's check it. Take a look at the inside. Worksout logo. Become indispensable. Love it. Love it. Love the quote. Let's take a look at the inside. Oh, okay. It's got a nice little black shine to it. It's like shiny. Little gray, I think. Little gray hit on that Worksout logo. Pretty sweet. Ortholite. Ortholite. All right. Take a look inside the footbed. As always, probably the same. A little fuzzy footbed. Take a look at the stitching. Perfect. Perfect. Size tag. TT factory. I mean, all in all, it's a beautiful shoe. I like the material. Reflective material is going to be sick. Like you can see it's all through. So love to see how that pattern looks at night. Pretty nice, sturdy shoe. It's heavy. Not your typical 95, I'd tell you that. To me, it seems like it's been winterized somewhat. But all in all, it's beautiful. Wow. Let's take a look at the other shoe just in case I missed something. No. Beautiful shoe. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. A little quick unboxing, quick review of the Air Max 95 Worksout special project. Look at this bad boy. She's beautiful. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe.